I got to tap in how to track running in GoogleFit. To track a run in GoogleFit, open the app and tap the big plus or add button at the bottom right. And hit add activity. And I'm gonna name the activity track workout. So in the title, I'm gonna type track workout. And the activity should be jogging if you're tracking running. Okay. Or you can change it to running if you're feeling confident. Let's say I'm gonna change it to running. Okay, running. And then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna hit the start, set the start workout, ensuring your phone's location and GPS is on for route mapping. Okay, so the start maybe today at 9 a.m. right, or 9 p.m. and the duration should be like maybe 30 minutes or hour. Okay, so you can set it however you want. In the distance, of course, we want to add like 5 kilometers, and energy expanded, and of course the steps. So after you've done all that, just hit save at the top right, and now you can track your running in GoogleFit. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.